Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Epic Games not launching games or uh, games is not running on the Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to search and then you just need to write graphics settings. And then you need to look what game is not running properly, and then you need to set that game to high performance. So let's say, I know, Rocket League for me is not running normally. It's not launching, so what I need to do here is to press options and then select the high performance here. And if you don't see the game on this list here, what you need to do here is to press browse. Then you need to go to your disk, and usually is on program files, I believe. Epic Games, yeah. And then you just need to look for a exe file. So as you can see here, it should be this one. And then I can set to high performance, right? And if you try this method and this thing is not working out for you, what you need to do here next is to set a Epic Games, basically the program is to run as admin. To do so, you just need to look for Epic Games shortcut here. And then you just need to open file location, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator. And if this doesn't help, then another thing that I suggested to do here is to completely close Epic Games on your task manager. Epic Games, completely close it. And then you need to just press Windows and I key, or simply on search, you just need to write run. And then on this window here, you need to write percent local app data percent. And then here you need to find Epic Games folder. So, and Epic Games launcher folder, and the game that is not working for you. So currently I just deleted the cache files of Epic Games folder, so I don't see on the list. But if you recently do not deleted cache files, it should be Epic Games folder, Epic Games launcher folder, and then particular game. So let's say Rocket League again is not working for me. So what you need to do here is to delete the cache file folders. Don't worry about that. It's just cache files. It won't affect your performance, your game, your any stuff. But if you delete Epic Games launcher folder or Epic Games folder, you just need to relog into your account again. So just delete Epic Games folder, Epic Games launcher folder, and particular game folder that is not running. And after that, try to run again and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.